Hi, I'm Cheeto, a CCCU student, and I'm here to show you around our state-of-the-art engineering facilities. Let's go and explore. This is our creative makerspace, where our engineering students come together to work and socialize. At CCCU, you're encouraged to collaborate and experiment, and this is the place to do it. This awesome electric go-kart was designed right here. Can I do a skit? Welcome to our engineering workshop. One of the many tools that students use in their projects is the metal lathe, which is used to turn and shape metal. These 3D printers are incredibly flexible for prototyping and testing out your ideas in the real world. So if you've got an idea, you can create it right here. The specialist welding facilities have been used to build the Formula Student Car. Each year, we'll be adding to it, so you could even get involved. This is our mechanical material physics lab. It's full of industrial machinery that you can use to learn the skills that you could use in the workplace. Engineers don't just make things, they break things too. Here's our instrument machine that stretches things to destruction to measure their tensile strength. This is great for product validation and identifying unknown materials. Our scanning electron microscope is an incredible piece of lab equipment. It can zoom in to minute levels, helping you see surface details and material failures. Pretty cool. And this is the Thermofluids Lab, home to future chemical engineers. It's full of equipment used for various chemical processes, including this. A distillation column. These are the backbone of the chemical and process industries. Why? Because you can separate complex mixtures to their individual valuable components based on their boiling points. From turning crude oil to gasoline or purifying ethanol for new uses, you'll be gaining some very crucial skills required to succeed in a variety of industries. Step into the future of biotechnology with the bioreactor. The bioreactor is used to harness microorganisms and cells for product creation. Using this, you can produce life-saving medicines, sustainable biofuels, and innovative food products, powered by these incredible vessels. Here in the electronics lab, you can learn the fundamentals of circuit design and control systems. These are essential skills across engineering disciplines as we see electronics embedded more in our daily lives. So there we have it, a sneak peek into some of the amazing facilities that you could be using as an engineering student with us. And there's so much more to discover. With us, you can solve real-world problems. We'd love you to come and join us.